seems like I'm rushing right now, I am. Allegedly the bike park's closed, everything's covered up. But there's some things that aren't covered up, so nobody told me to leave, so I'm gonna go for it. All the big jumps are up there. That sucks. Alright, well. Look how stupid going through the obstacles. This is where I need my fork softened up. Riding Stafford Lake with street tires, not the business, guys. Not the business. I should have knew better, but that's all right. Next time I come back, I'm gonna have a fresh set of Max's holy rollers, you know what I'm saying? Because I have no kids pump track. Telling me, and nobody was stopping me from coming in, so I came in, you know. I've been wanting to come here for a while. Like all the big jumps are closed, it looks like, so I won't mess with those. But I've been wanting to come here for a while. But the only thing that's open is the pump track, and then there's like a little section over there with like a downhill section, I'm guessing. But we're gonna go see what we can hit today. I got the DJ with me. I was so looking forward to coming here though. I was so gassed about it. Like, yeah, we're gonna go hit Stafford, and then I get here and it's closed. But that's all right. Let's see. Let's see what we can do. We're going this way. Off the rocks. There we go. All the jumps are closed. It's a nice little bike park though. It seems like there's a lot going on, so I don't know, we'll give it a shot. I see somebody down there. Oh, here's the slalom right here. Oh man, that's massive. All right. There's a guy holding a paper down there. All right, let's do this though. Have some fun. Yurt. Yeah, see, I don't have dirt tires, bro. I'm sliding the whole way. No, I gotta go on the jumps, bro. I can't do this. I don't have dirt tires. Yeah, look at the track. Oh. All right, well, we're gonna go play on the pump track. Oh, they got some little wooden stuff over there too. Yeah, I can't do the dirt downhill shit. It looks fun. Oh, look at Bambi right there. You see the deer? Like, you're out in nature, bro. What if I was going hella fast? Oh, look at that. That's all fucking... That's all potholes. You can't even be in there. Oh. I'm having to hit my brakes all the time. Oh, it's closed. Man, the jumps over there, that's what I came for. I came for the jumps, but no, this is cool though. Look, we're legitimately in like the middle of the mountains. I just did that whole little course, little kids course. I'm just trying to see what's up top of this hill. I want something to ride down, but before I come next time, I'm definitely gonna have to get some good, better tires, because those suck. Like, I can't get traction on nothing over here, because you look at all this stuff, it's just gravel and dirt, loose dirt. I think I've had my dose of protein for today. All these bugs that I'm eating as I'm talking, like, you can taste them, bro. Okay, so slope in here, let's see. Yeah, see, I overshoot this thing. Oh, look at the deer. Bumps. Oh, there's multiples. There's multiples. Bambi's running. There's a lizard. Oh, I just ran him over. Oh, nice little jump. Nice little jump. Oh, need a bug. Oh, nice little jump. Oh. Well, nobody's told me to leave yet, but everything is closed, so they probably figure I'm not gonna do much. But I half-ass want to go to the jumps. Like I'm debating on it, you know, seeing if I can just hit a line. You know what I'm saying? Just fuck it, because all I'm hitting is these little things right here. I want to jump something. My bike wants to jump something. We have all this whole park. All right, so we're gonna go to the top real quick. Hey, I'm just gonna strap it on. We're just gonna see if we can just do one jump line, and that's it. Oh, we're gonna go roll up to this big jump right now. There's a truck rolling around right there. Oh God, there's like 4 trucks. Yo, we're gonna go for it. I don't got time for this. Okay. Oh shit. Shit, moving. Yo, you get moving through there. Yeah. He parked right by my truck. I'm out of here now. I'm out of here, bro. Yeah, they're up there now. They're fucking riding. They're riding around that way. But we made it. We had a little bit of fun. Didn't get to do everything I wanted because most of the park is shut down. It's maintenance though. It's maintenance. So all they're pretty much doing is just compacting the jumps again and cleaning it all off. Which hopefully next couple of weeks I'll get some new tires on this thing. We'll come back out here for a ride, and hopefully those things will be situated. But yeah, it's a cool spot though. It's a cool spot, man. You guys gotta come check this out. Stafford Lake. You know what I mean? The jumps are pretty cool. The jumps are cool. I gotta say, the jump line was fun. They're rolling around. They're trying to get me out of here. That one's supposed to be over here. But, all right, I'm gonna get packed up and get out of here. And remember, hey, you guys, make sure to make the best of each day. You know what I mean? Like, I literally at work, I was at the pump track yesterday, went to work this morning, was at work all day. Didn't even take a lunch, bro, and left just so I can come over here and go ride for a little bit. And it was closed, but I wasn't gonna let that stop me. You know what I mean? So, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, man. Make sure this week is golden. Have a good one.